Meaning of flatties.
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 Flatties. Flatties is a slang term used to refer to shoes or sandals with flat soles, as opposed to high heels or platforms. This term can be used to describe any type of shoe that lacks an elevated sole. Flatties are generally considered to be comfortable and practical for daily wear, as they provide good support and are well suited to walking and other physical activities. They are also popular among people who prefer a more minimalist style, as they offer a simple and understated look that can be paired with a wide variety of outfits.